Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, we here. What up? Let's see here. All right, what up, Trader 007? Tyson, yeah, 4,500 is the buffer. TPT, Ponzi in the house. What up, Lassifer? Uvix is your baby mama? Okay. Don't know what that means, but alrighty. Go for it, my friend. Go for it. All right, 849 here. Let me see. All right, guys, just kind of watching. What up, CFL? GFL, go Dogs. Is this the short wick group? No, Jim, you missed it. You missed it by a couple of, this is the long wick group. No, wait, that's it. That's Husk. Definitely not the short wick group. Might be the short bus group, but not the short wick group. Might be. Was in a GC during the pop and made 2.7K in under a minute. Holy cow. Doc Tito, I did not participate in the pop earlier. I was not a part of it, unfortunately. Oh no. Wasn't a part of it. Alrighty. Current gold kind of ledge is what a trades is testing the limits of a potential loss. testing the limits of a potential loss. So we shall see. We'll see what happens. Oh, I had to scratch my back. The short bus group, yeah, that's right. Oh, what is that, Doc Tito? I don't know. Revenge of the Nerds. You're long for 170 points at MNQ. Good luck. Five micros. Adam in the house. We got top of the hour kind of coming up here soon. This thing want to get to going. Well, probably, yeah, I guess I would do that. We'll see if it starts to push back up here or not. On the gold. The golden pocket. How's everybody doing tonight? Do I get Max's medicine? Yeah. He did get a walk earlier. To try not to walk him too much though, because basically the more he walks, the more pain he's in. So just keep it simple. Go out and take your pee pee or your poop or whatever and come back in. So that sort of thing. So yeah, he's not really been to a walk. A little short walk. He was difficult taking his medicine tonight though. he I wrapped it up in he's been refusing to eat the peanut butter. So I wrapped it up in some bologna. So and the last two times he's chopped down the bologna. But then tonight he said no. So I had to go back to the peanut butter. I had to go back to the peanut butter. New 5-minute candle coming up here in just a moment. If you missed today's actions, we did pass a My Funded Futures account. So this is a funded account. We won't be trading this tonight though. What's up with these little symbols beside your guys' names? You guys seeing those symbols in the chat? I've never seen that before. Never seen that before. If you could short more Tesla over 400, well, you know. You're the perma bear. Get in there. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Yeah, he figures that stuff out so fast. But he's got to take his medicine, you know. Can't not give him his medicine. Guys, if you didn't see, Lucid did refresh the 40% off. So if you used all your 40% offs already, yes, Jim, the emojis. If you used all your 40% off options already on Lucid, you now have 5 more. They have reset everybody's. You can go back and use 5 more times. Code MM on those 40% off coupons. Also, if you've not used the coupons at all, you still get the 50% off the first 2. So that's the thing. Kind of want this gold plate to just go ahead and go, because if it doesn't, I'm not going to like holding this into the 9 o'clock top of the hour here. Not going to be a fan of holding it. Probably take take it off. Do I want to take this or not? What a deal. Only gold trading tonight. Let's go. Nothing wrong with that. She's ready to drop some kids off at the pool. Kinda. It kinda looks that way to me too. I mean, you do kind of have this. It's not really a data wick, but you do kind of have a little area down there from that 300 points, whatever it was, straight up. So we'll see. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, I don't know, man. 2 minutes into the top of the hour here. Do I want to leave this trade on? I don't know, man. I have no idea. I do want to get Ninja. Well, actually, yeah, Ninja. Let me get Ninja open. Market really slowed down? Yeah, for sure. I'm a little sketched out about this gold trade over here that I'm about to get tagged into. I am, Treff. I am. Oh, I'm tagged in. I'm tagged in. Oh, nice. It worked already. Let's go. Can't complain about that. Oh, what happened here? You go stop to break even. Just thinks this thing wants to squeeze it open. Be a man, leave the trade on, hike that skirt up. I did. I did. Oh, I'm in. I was in on GC. So let's see if this thing can squeeze it open. Joyce Fernandez, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. All right. Took the win on gold there. Sorry, guys. I didn't get a chance to show you guys that, but look at that trade. Look at that trade. Banger. Oh, are you kidding me? I thought I was on GC, guys. I thought I was on this. God dang it. I thought that was a $500 winner. That's why I was all excited. 50 bucks. I thought we'd unlocked back out on Take Profit Trader. And it was a freaking $50 trade. God dang it. I didn't even realize it was on the MGC. I'd already taken a $250 winner. We're up 300 bucks tonight. It's okay. I can't be upset about it. I mean, it's annoying because I thought it was a $500 winner, but that's all right. Up 300 bucks. Can't complain, I guess. Can't complain. Were you playing poker? No. Did I get one of them news service things? From what, Ponzi? Miss K, what's up? No problem. Choice in the house. D Shoe, how's it going? I bought 5 new Lucid accounts. So I'm trying to get those pulled up. Not quite sure. Why is everything all over the place? All right, let's put this over here. Need to get some Take Profit Trader accounts pulled up too. There we go. So I'm going to trade this on all of them. Then I can take them on. Oh. Why is it only showing me one Lucid account? That's weird. Is that account not blown? What up, Punisher? Smash the likes. That's right. Not sure. Why is the Lucid not showing up yet? Some of the channels have a news service that some British sounding guy announced. No, I don't. You're quiet as a mouse, but you're looking and counting. Yes, that's right. I don't know why the do I need to do something on these Lucid accounts? I mean, I already signed everything, I thought. They show active. They show active. Let me disconnect and reconnect. Okay, there they are. They're there now. I got 550Ks. Flex. Let's make sure we don't make a mistake with our copy trader. First things first, let's get the right account off there. The wrong account off there. Okay. Let's pull something up here. Kind of pushing back up here. Man, I thought I had locked out a freaking daily payout there. What up, Kosalik? I thought I had locked out a daily payout. Didn't do it. On that gold trade. Created a new. Why does this look different? Why does this chart look different? Let me see. I don't know why that looks different. Is it because it's rolled? This chart looks different than this chart. The prices are different. So yeah, that one must have rolled. That's GC. What up, Chris? How's it going? We'll mark out the previous day open, or previous day close and open here in a moment. Oh, I did pass one. $660. Nope. All right, take profit, lucid flex. Okay. When do you get this on gold? MGC. MGC. I think the gold is already rolled over here on Ninja. Anybody confirm that? I think it's already rolled. Buy short, buy short. Oh yeah, you're talking about SK? What up, Sherry? Anybody know why gold's already rolled on it already rolled? Yeah, it already rolled over here on Ninja. Not sure. Need to create an ATM strategy for gold. Save. Let's make that gold. Gold already exists. Okay. New price 44.18. Yeah, some. Well, I don't. 43.86. Hold on, let me see. So I've got 43.86 here, but 44.19 over there. Which one? Which one's rolled? This one rolled, I think. Or did this one? I don't know. This is the old one. Okay, good. That's the one I want to be on. All right, well, that never works with that. Where is my gold chart? Here? Nope. That's not gold. There's gold. All right, we on the 5 minute. We're on the 5 minute. Are we on the right account? We're on the right account. We got the right ATM. Okay, okay. No gold entry yet. You did have a long here at 83 point whatever. It almost stopped out. I'm sorry, 84.1. It went, I mean, it almost went 15 points. Didn't quite do it, but it did almost, and now it just hit target. So, let's do some drawing tools. Let's go with array. You can see that lower level paid there. Quite nice, quite nice. This one here paid as well. This one paid as well. You took a little drawdown on it, and then this one paid. But yeah. You have to trade on the new contract now, do you? Because I think I just took an old contract trade, did I not? Yeah, I just entered the trade down here on Take Profit Trader. MGC. Let me see. I mean, I don't guess it matters to me which one we're on. MGJ is 43.90. MGM is 44.23. Yeah. Well, if Ninja hasn't rolled yet, then I'm going to stay on this one. Because Ninja hasn't rolled, so. Which one has more volume? You guys know? %50 have not thrown a free like at MM. I don't know. They're cray, Miss K. Earl might be at that bounce spot. M has more volume. Let me mark out this lower ledge too, because that's really probably going to be your best sort of spot. Don't know that we get there, but you could buy this area again. It did create a new ledge, but it was a little scary. 12.6K on J, 40K on M. Well, why is it not rolled on Ninja then? Because Ninja normally rolls when the volume rolls, right? Let me see if I can do it. MGCM. Oh, it's MGCJ. No, M. See, it doesn't come up. I don't know. How do you change it on Ninja to rogues? I have no idea. I have no idea. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. 662, yeah, I don't know. Ninja might be the worst platform ever. Has Ninja ever updated the interface? No, probably not. But it usually rolls, though, on time. Usually rolls. So I'm not sure. Not sure. Go to tools and then to database management. And it says mm, hey, 6 Billy Bands, let's go. 3,600, that's amazing. You have your seatbelt on. Let's hope it's not a wild ride. How do I roll over these contracts though? I don't know. It doesn't show. It doesn't show the it only shows ESNQ and YM on the rollover. Not quite sure how I do it. How do you add that other one in there? I don't know. Why is it not rolling? I'm not sure. One of you guys must know. You can help me with it. MGC and select the contract. It will update. Where do you type it? I don't think that did anything. Did it? Nothing will pop up. Well, when oh, you're talking about like this. Okay. Yeah, that didn't do anything. That didn't do anything. I don't know. Yeah, it's not doing nothing. MGC. I don't know. We'll just stick with this one. Yours got rolled to the J contract? Was this not the J contract? I'm confused. Because like my J contract shows the exact same price on Beal and Ox. It should be the M contract, right? Yeah, the M contract is the one that's got the MGC M26. They're just at two different levels. One's at 44.24. The other's at 43.91. I don't know. M is March, J is June. So which one's the new one? I'm confused. M is June. This says M is June. Doc Tito, just because of the volume. Okay, John. Yeah, I was going to be confused there because, like, I'm looking at it right here, and it says, this is, I'm just looking at it. It says June is M. Funny thing is, the price is different, but the overall chart appearance is pretty much the same. June is M for sure. 100% June is M. May not get another one anyway. This one right here is on J that you see. 04 to 06. I don't know. EMGC 06 26 maybe. Still shows April. Maybe we go MGC June. Still shows April. I don't know. MNQ June. GC. I don't know. I have no idea. It's simulated, but the volume still matters. Volume still matters, I guess. I don't know. I like the 04 and change it to 06. Well, the 04 is not there anymore. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Yeah, we'll just stick with it now. We'll worry with it tomorrow. We'll just stick with it for now. It'll be all right. Yeah, it does, John. It's just higher price. That's what I'm saying. The chart pattern is identical, but just higher price. You only wear a gold scarf, totally neuter otherwise. Nude. Fair enough. Fair enough. May not get another gold trade anyway. Hit the likes, guys. Now, let me go ahead and activate another TPT account. Create new. 150. Sure. Trade of 8. Sure. All right, activated another TPT account. Let's go. I'm going to get an Apex account here too to trade. We're just squeezing up here, guys. I got to do a verification, guys, for Apex. A verification. What do you guys think? Are we going up or are we going down? I don't know if we have any other gold opportunities. We'll see. Like a video? Yeah, I got to do a video, you know, me pushing the button. No, of course not. Just got to do like a verification. I got to prove that I am who I am. It's telling me to scan the barcode. I'm doing that. 44.10 sweep come down if not bull to 40 44.36. Two years ago they randomly asked for that. Yeah. Gold is ripping. Definitely not going to get no entry that way. Not going to get an entry that way. Silver ain't going nowhere, Lone Wolf. Yeah, it's kind of the way it goes, right? One goes, the other doesn't. I mean, or vice versa. Let's see here. We'll do a giveaway tonight, guys. Crude's dropping. Try and get an eval purchased here. There we go. We got one. So basically, any account that can be traded on gold, I'm going to be trading on gold from now on, pretty much. And any account that can't be traded on gold will be trading on the Nasdaq. I got to sneeze. Hold on. Woo! The 1 hour swings makes sense. Oh, did I even realize I still have an Apex eval that I'm trading? Let me pull that up. There we go. No roll, I have not. I don't know that it translates because you might could do it on a higher time frame, kind of like what Trev is talking about with like the hourly or something. But I don't know if it translates, to be honest. You do kind of have like not the greatest ledge up here at 43.85. kind of created one right there. It's not the cleanest. All right, guys, let's get a giveaway rocking in a strolling. Rocking in a strolling over here. What's up, trading for keeps? What's up? Let's see. Okay. But where are all the likes, guys? We need the likes, okay? All right. You love more of mechanical strategy after watching your most recent videos again. It made me believe in mechanical strats. Joshua, I'm using the orb, the pre-orb. I'm using the this 5-minute strategy on gold is pretty mechanical. Pretty mechanical. 15-second orb as well, which I haven't been looking at the 15-second lately or whatever. 15-second at the open, first 15-second candle. But it is another one. There's another strategy I used to use. Into the future is what up. I used to use this. Let's see how this one played out today or yesterday. This is what I used to do. I would look at the 5-minute chart and I would take the first 5-minute gap after 10 a.m. So I'd wait for 10 a.m. and look and see if there was a gap. So this would have been your gap, your first gap after 10 a.m. This is a mechanical strategy too. So if it's a bearish gap, you short. If it's a bullish gap, you long. You can see today's did not trigger. Basically, you would have taken a short up into this gap, and whatever the stop would have been up here. Then you would have went for a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-2 risk to reward. So it would have been no trade today on that one. I used to trade that one all the time. I used to have a bot that took that one for me. So let's look and see. Here would have been, just curious. This one would have lost, obviously. That strategy was like a 55% win rate, but with a 2R, it's not, still not bad. Still not bad. Very, very nice. What about Trace? How you doing, bud? How you doing? Trying pretty discretion for 3 years and just getting destroyed. Yeah. I mean, listen, there's nothing that's mechanical that's going to work all the time. For example, the pre-orb trade went 4 for 5 last week and it's 0 for 4 this week. But it is a 2R strategy, so that means that it's 4 for 9. That's still profitable. Because that would be 8R that you made, and then 9. Wait, is that right? 4 for 9. Yeah, because I only got to go 4 for 10 to basically make money. So 2R, 4 times 2 is 8. And then 5 times 1 is 5. So yeah, you'd still be up 3R. So you got to take the good with the bad. that kind of deal. But it doesn't look like we're going to get any gold trades, to be honest with you guys. I mean, we only got 20 more minutes left in the gold session, and it's just moving away from everything right now. Gold had that huge rip up too at close, huh? Well, this not even let you trade this? Huh. That's curious. That is curious. Alexi in the house. Backtesting the pre-org for a year worth of data right now. Oh, cool. Yeah, I think I did like 3 months, 60 days, 60 traded days. Around 3 months. I'll grab a little long here. Grab a little long. I'll look for ATR is pretty dreadful here. Let's go. We'll go 5 micros on this. Let's go 5 points. I struggle so bad with this. Degen activation. What up, Steve? Come on, bro. I kind of wanted to take a little risky short on gold. Not going to do it, but I was thinking about it. I did not play poker, Coach Fred. I forgot that they were playing. I completely forgot. No one reminded me. Or if they did at me, I didn't see it. Let's see. 50, yeah. Buy the highs, sell the lows. You know what I mean. That's how we do. I am tempted to add here. Yeah, let's add. Let's go 10. We'll spread some of these out here, throw some sales in here. We'll go with 5 there. It's going to sell out, scale out of some of these, you know? There we go. Perfect. Go farming a reverse head and shoulders on the 30 minutes. Do I watch MMA? Yeah, of course. I like MMA. I don't pay for it, but I'll watch it on like TikTok or something. Well, it looks like we might get wrecked here. Let's see, where's this at? 837. The only thing about going heavy here is that when you go heavy like this, you don't really have room to navigate. Look for maybe a little bounce in this area. Might actually add here. All right, we're in two minis effectively here. Let me just do it like this. We'll go 5. Something like that. Something like that. Gold short looks tempting. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I mean, we tapped into a ledge up here almost at 44, 48 area. So ES kind of bouncing off that 42 area there. I'm going to be looking to get out of a lot of these pretty quickly, so. Pretty quickly. Oh, goodness. Well, does it want to get me here or what? Just got to squeeze it. Just got to squeeze it. A little more. Get out of some of these. Gonna leave some on to make a few bucks. No? Rude. Really, Nasdaq? Really? Just blast it up there. I mean, really not looking for much. 5 or 6 points here. Can this thing go, guys? I mean, is it just going to do me dirty? Problem is, if it doesn't really hold this area, then the downside's going to come pretty quickly. Hmm. We might create another swing up here on gold. It's going to be very high and very close to the cutoff time. Well, we still got 3 minutes for it to do it. All right, I'm going to add here. And I'm going to shorten up my stop. I ran basically 3 minis here. I'm going to tuck the stop up to right there. See if it can hold here. Nope. Can she hold? At the top of the hour coming up here. Gold's got a minute and a half left on this candle. I don't think it's going to create. It doesn't. It's not very. Can't tell if it took that swing low or not. I don't think it did. It's not very clean though. My bad, guys. I forgot to post Mancini's newsletter. Let me do that right quick. I forgot all about that. Come on. It's a good reaction. Can we get some momentum through there? A turd. It's a turd. I mean, we're literally looking for like 6 points here. Come on, you can do it. I mean, is it going to come that close to it and not hit it? Really? Come on, guys, hit it. There, we hit something. All right, we'll just be down to 2 here. See if it can go. All right, let's see here. Never a doubt. That's right. Never a doubt. All right, I got the newsletter posted. If you guys were waiting on it. So interesting enough, there is kind of a swing here on gold. I'm not in love with it. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not in love with it. It's going to be like right at the top of the hour. You know, so that's kind of a thing. Do we take it? Just a question. What do you guys think? Do we take that? Nothing a little DCA can't fix. That's right. A little long at the top. A little going in big there. Nothing that can't take care of. Oh, I forgot I can't trade the Apex stuff. Let me take those off there. See, take profit. Which one is that? 4218. Okay, BLX is the first. Okay. Look at her go. CL crashing. Oh yeah, we're gonna go down here. And then I'll make a we'll make a decision on it. Little eval passing. Let's go. Throw it in there. Trying to decide whether I'm going to take this up here or not. I mean, really just risking 150 on it. Or 300, actually. We'd be risking 300. But technically it is after the hours. Doesn't look like we're going to get it anyway. Lock in 10 points here. Actually, let's go 15. Gold to the moon here. What doing, Maxie? That's the thing. I gotta, like, I was long down here on gold, right? I was long down here. I gotta figure out how to leave a runner on. I really do. Yeah, for sure, Coach Fred. $44.24 is the monthly low. Let that thing just go. Trailing on the EMA. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. She's a runner. She's a track star. Let's see on gold here. Let me measure. We're at the 618 here. We're at the 618 on gold, guys. 44.85 could be a good short spot. Could be. $44.85, maybe short on gold. Anybody have the stones to do it? That is up there though. Wait, well, we have to measure it on this one. That's on the other contract. Well, this one would be like 44.50 somewhere there. You're trying to short there. Good luck. If you guys have not already, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Exclamation MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. We are currently, what are we, 3 for 3 on gold tonight? So 85. Guys, 89% off Billinox, code MM. 85 and 90% off Apex, code MYTH, MYTH. My Fund of Futures still got the 20% off, 30% off going on, code MM. Take Profit Trader. 40% off, no activation fee. Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fee. Tradeify, 35% off. Code MM. Fund of Futures Network, buy one, get one free, 40% off. Code MM. Day Traders, I think, is 85% off. Lucid, 50% off first 2 uses, 40% off the next 5 uses. If you've already used all those, they have reset the 40% off for 5 more uses. Code MM. Traders Launch, code MM. The Futures Desk, code MMM. E8 Markets, code MYTH. That's it. You got it. Watch it, Coach Fred. Watch it. It's so very simple. So very simple. AD Scalper, what up? You're buying at previous swing low on discount. You can do it that way, Coach Fred. I'm pretty much just buying every swing. I think in discount makes it, we'll call it higher probability. But that being said, we're at 90%, 95% win rate just buying every ledge between 6 and 10 p.m. So, but you could theoretically probably play it safer and just buy in discount. But I haven't seen that really matters, to be honest, on the strategy. I just buy every ledge between 6 and 10 p.m. Now, we sometimes get a little bit, what up, Asylum Trader? We sometimes get dumpage between like 10 and 11. It gets, for whatever reason, it gets pretty volatile and doesn't work as well. What up, Sappy Grunge? So, Doc Tito, buying a discount would mean if we're looking at, let's just use this chart here. If I'm looking at this leg here, I'm looking at this leg here, this leg, what I would do is I would fib this leg and I would only buy a ledge that was below 50%. So in this scenario, this ledge would be the only one below 50%. So that would mean that you would only buy this ledge and you would ignore the rest. So you could see if you did that, 0 drawdown, blast off, right? So you would effectively look at the ledge before open, look at the leg before open, measure that, and find the ledge that's in discount, right? Then you could actually look at this leg too here, and then technically this created this ledge, which was also in discount for this leg. But it's just up to you. You could do it several different ways. Every play tonight won. You did take 14.9 points of 14.7 points of drawdown off this ledge, but it actually ended up winning. So, you the man, you the man. Who's slipping on the clicking? 4,500 GC possibility. I mean, for sure. For sure, it's a possible. It's always possible. Es posible. If you did buy just in discount, you probably would have less trades. You already only get, I think last night I got 7 setups. So like that's a lot of setups in a night. They all won. It went 7 for 7. Most nights it's like 3, 4 setups. So like tonight you would have had, that would have been 1. That would have been 2, 3, 4. And these all won. This ledge won. This ledge won. Then this one won as well. You took some drawdown on it. And then this ledge also won. You took some drawdown on it as well. So you would have been in an add scenario on this one, most likely. You would have had to have added. But yeah, they would have all won. It's a negative R strategy. You're risking 150 ticks for 50 ticks. So it's a negative R strategy. However, like I said, it's negative R, but %95 win rate. So, you know, you do the math. Yeah, like 44.50 would be a good short area potentially. That's the way we look at it. Hispanic hip hop Interesting. So I don't know if I'll take this ledge up here. I am still considering it. We're so very bullish, however, you know. What do you guys think? Do we take the ledge here or do we not? That's the question. Floki Carpenter, what up? What's the, oh, I got to make 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay. 1, 8. Okay, good. Had to make sure I had the right accounts. Floki, I'm not shorting right now. I might consider one, but I'm really just looking for longs. Mouse mouse race. Oh, squeeze it. Are you long there, happy kids? Meow. Four, 4, 1. Good luck, sir. Oh, you're up 20 points. You're up 20 points. Let's go. Two micros. Hey, that's still good. Yeah, I like the micros too. What are the tickets for, Asylum? They are for a free lap dance at the Pink Pony in Atlanta, Georgia. You got to have your own transportation, but we are going to provide the funds for said lap dance. Okay. So if you're interested in that, exclamation MM in the chat. Also, if you use code MM at the Pink Pony, you get 40% off any service that they offer. Any service, 40% off. How many $1 bills you given? Cocaine's optional. Sabo lap dance, yeah. No, seriously, it's for a free account. We're doing a free account giveaway. I haven't decided what account yet. I haven't decided what account. You can give a good lap dance. Free upgrade to supersize at the Gulp and Blow mini marts. I don't know what account I'm going to give away yet, but one of them. Husk has been to the Pink Pony many times. He goes in pink, he comes out white. Don't ask questions. But it might be maybe a Lucid account, maybe something. Maybe an Apex, maybe a Lucid, maybe a Trader's Launch. I don't know. You thought it was clear. Oh. Asylum, I usually jump off here sometime between 10 and 11. It just depends. Tim couldn't afford the drinks. Well, Tim, you got to be in the parking lot. You got to go behind the Wendy's, perform some acts, and then you can. The Claremont Lounge, it could be. A clap is well deserved. Don't ask questions. Tell no lies. Guys, I know a lot of stories about Husk. All right, a lot of stories. We could tell some stories. Maybe we'll save those for my Fun and Future stream, you know? It's on next week. We're going to commence the slapping Husk around next week. Pow! In the trading competition. Slapping them around. Do they supply the penicillin? They do. Thank you, N19QZ. N19, did I take care of you today? I cannot remember. I can't remember anything. I think I did. Yeah, I did. I did. I sent it over. We sent it over. Whether or not you got it yet, I don't know. We did send it. I do got one more to send over. My Fun and Futures on the options for the raffle. I don't know if I have any accounts for My Fun and Futures to give away anymore. Let me see. I don't remember how many I've done this month. They only give me so many. Let me see how many I've done. Yeah, I've already given away all the accounts. I mean, we gave away 25 My Fun and Futures accounts this month. That's pretty good. That's a lot. I gave away 25 My Fun and Futures, 15 Apex. What? 3 Lucid. Probably 5 Traders Launch. We've given away quite a lot of accounts this month. Do we agree on the cat race? I got to figure out how to do it. Yeah, I'm just a small guy too, and I come up with all these accounts. I say, hey, please, brother, Design Knob will give you a reach around if you give me some accounts. He will meet you behind the Wendy's dumpster for the good stuff. What up, MSG? Ugh. I pimping him out. That's right. Gotta have myth. Asylum, I've done really well the last 2 weeks. I've blown a couple of accounts, but overall, we've done pretty well. Just sit on the porch at night with a small laser and a can of tuna. Oh, thank you, Punisher. I mean, looks like a short here. Oh man, I kind of want to short it. You know what? Let's short it. Let's short it. ES is kind of at a key level. I think if it loses it, we get a nice flush here. If it doesn't lose it, we might pop. Yeah, it might bounce here. We are at a key level in the ES here. I'm just assuming it's going to lose it. Hmm. Yo-yoing some accounts, made some blue view. Yeah, it happens. You took that GC short? No, I didn't take it. I might get wrecked here. ES kind of triple bottoming at the 42 area. Let's see what happens. ES hold the 43. I'm not in love with this trade at this point. May just eat a loss. Well, I was hoping that gold could get back down to this level, but nope. Nope. Let's see. I'm going to wait and see if ES loses that level there. If it loses it, I'll add into this. Oh. What happened, guys? How did I get in 7? Guys, these I accidentally, oops. Well, that might not be good. Somehow I'm in a bunch, and I don't know how I did that. I hit it one time. I literally hit it one time. But somehow it went, I don't know what happened there. Oops. Your shirt gold 15 minis? Holy cow. Yeah, I'm screwed here. I literally did not mean to do that. I don't know what happened there. I was trying to add like 5, and I must have somehow typed in the wrong number. That's what that's what she said. One fib or another, I don't know. I did not mean to do that. I mean, a smart man would just take the loss. But you know what? I've never claimed to be a smart man. I've never claimed to be a smart man. We're going to hit the daily loss limit. There it is. Yeah. Misclick there. Probably should have just killed it. That's right. Methodical Gump. Rude. Very rude. Very rude. It's nobody's fault but my own. It happens. Accidental. All right, here's the deal, guys. We are about to create a very high ledge here. A very high ledge. It might be very dangerous. But it is also kind of a bull flag, right? I might take it. It's not a pretty one, that's for sure. Cancel mistakes right away. Yeah. I usually do. If it would have been anything other than an eval, I would have. This is very high. All right, I'm going to take it, guys. I'm saying it says I'm filled, but it only shows one. There we go. We're going to try it. It is after 10. I mean, this is after the hour that I normally would be trading this. We'll try it. If it starts to dump, we may just kill it. It's not really moving, huh? Oh, did this push up? Yeah, it's not quite as... Yeah, it didn't quite get up there yet. I think it's still got one more leg higher. What up, Sinister? Futures Trader, good evening. If this candle turns green, like 25, 26 area, I'll probably go break even there. Just because we're outside of our time. Yeah, so like right now. Bang! Let's go. She bangs, she bangs, she bangs. I need to find my... Where are my orders? Okay, there it is. Okay, I want to make sure. There we go. You almost blew a paper trading account. Messing around, which is crazy, but it ended up turning into a 120K trade. Yeah. There we go. She bangs, guys. She bangs, she bangs, she bangs. 100 bucks. Did this not take this on the Take Profit Pro account? Where's the Pro account at? Oh, there it is. I was about to say. What happened here? Okay, so this is that funded account. I didn't know I still had drawdown left. But I bought 5 new ones. So day 1 on those. But yeah, 400 bucks on the Pro account. Almost back to lockout, daily payout. So we'll take it. We'll take it. Dun, 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 dun. So that ledge did pay. I mean, it was a little bit of a scary one, let's be honest. $2:30 a.m. and up 1,300. Let's go. Go to bed, yeah, Mo. Video on YouTube with this guy who blew over 500 accounts and he's still going. M, I've blown over 500 accounts myself. So now, within, you got to take it with a grain of salt. What am I on? Let me see on my Apex. Let me see what I'm on Apex. I'm on funded account 2. Funded account 205 and eval 580. So funded account 205, eval 580. So I don't know what the math is on that. It's not great. It's not horrible though. Let's see, 205 divided by 580. 35%. You need to stop buying Apex. I can't pass an eval to save my life. Yeah, I agree with you, dude. I agree with you there. I agree with you there. It's tough. Yeah, I know people who have 5, 6, 700 PA accounts. So, yeah, 205. Now that's lifetime on Apex. That's probably 3.5 years of trading. So, something like that. It's quite a long time to be trading that. Buell and Ox, I think I've had about 50 funded accounts, and I'm probably on like 150 evals, somewhere in there. Not even 150, actually. I'm 140 on Buell and Ox. I've had probably around 50. Take profit trader, I have no idea. I don't know. I'm much better with take profit trader because the accounts are more expensive, so I don't buy as many. Patrick Whelan's probably 6,400, probably more than that. I have no idea how much Patrick is. Yeah, yeah, that's what happens, Miss K. I wish Max would feel better, guys. He is in a lot of pain. I don't like him. I don't like seeing him in pain like that. Husk said that he requested some more Lucid giveaways and they gave them to him. So let's do the same. Let's see what we got to give away from Lucid. Thank you, Michelle. Let me see what I got. We have a 100K Lucid Flex, and we have a 25K Lucid Pro. Yeah, for sure, Miss K. And I can't do anything about it, right? Yeah, Em, you're on the right path. Keep it small. Keep it small. Design, he's hurt his back. He has 2 compressed disc in his back, or compressed vertebrae, which is basically like, um, basically like a broken back is what she said. So he's like walking like this. He's like shimmying. Size doesn't always matter. Yeah, it's true. $25K was pro, was it? Hold on, let me look. Did I do it backwards? Yep, you're right. 25K Pro, 100K. All right, let's change it. How do I edit it? How can I edit the poll? All right, we're going to have to do a new poll. $25K is a pro. 100K flex. There we go. I said it. I wrote it wrong. Yeah. Typical, right? Typical. I mean, what's the difference? All right. The flex, you got a 50% consistency rule in the eval, no consistency in the funded. The pro, no consistency in the eval, but you got consistency in the funded. It's really the main difference. Yep, like crazy if I pet his butt with his disc. Amazing results. The dog chiropractor. Interesting. They're recommending laser therapy and acupuncture. We're doing laser therapy right now. Jim, flex consistency in the eval, not in the funded. Pro, no consistency in the eval, but consistency in the funded. So, and also I do think the pro, you only have to get to $500 to get a payout, if I'm not mistaken. So, me too, Easy Lizzie. That's the way I feel about it. I don't really care if I pass in a day. Like, it's not my goal to pass in a day. So, if I can, it's awesome. But if I can't, if I don't, it's whatever. All right, guys, I don't think I'm going to take any more trades on gold. Then we're going to lock it down for the night. It's always nice to have, have some green on the first day. A little green. $25K pro is way easier to pass. 3 days to pay out with the pro. Yeah. 10-second delay, Jim. Yeah, somewhere in there. I trade the flex. I like the flex. I don't really care, but the pro is more expensive. I think did I buy? I don't even know what I bought. What did I buy? I might have bought the pro because no, I bought the flex, didn't I? Yeah. I bought 5 Lucid Flex. Green Day is good. I like Green Day. The giveaway going to be a promo code. Be with promo code. Yeah, it's always promo code. Well, not always. Sometimes email. Depends on who it is. Since it'll be Lucid, it'll be a promo code. Well, let me check something out here. Just thought about something. Your country's restricted, Akram. Is Apex restricted? If Apex is not restricted, then you're okay. I can give you an Apex code. And move to your country. Even Apex. Yeah, you might be SOL then on tonight's giveaway. You could be SOL. That's okay. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Enter the giveaway, exclamation point MM. Looks like it's going to be a 100K Flex Lucid account. 67%, 6-7, as the kids say. There you go. Doob, you'll win one day for sure. 100%. Yeah, exactly, Rubber. Take whatever we got. What? You hate sheeting out logs? So painful? Maybe you need stool softener. Stool softener there, Kyle. Stool softener would do you some good. What do you guys think? Are we bearish or are we bullish? iTrace fell asleep. Uh-oh. Yeah, we've been getting some likes. What are we at? 200 likes. Let's go. Oh, but what I was saying earlier and I forgot. Guys, you can enter on an alt account. I don't mind. As long as your alt account subscribes to the channel, it hits the like button, and it enters the giveaway, we're completely okay with it. Okay? So you can use 1 or 2 alt accounts. Don't get crazy. Don't try to get in there with 10 or 15 alt accounts. I don't mind 1 or 2. All right, well, back to that spot where I might not mind shorting, but I don't know if I want to do it on this account. Do I? I mean, ATR is 10, so I don't really want to go for more than, 5 points. Thinking about shorting here. We have held this level, what, 1, 2, 3. This could potentially be the 4th time. Do we buy the bottom of the Tom Sabo box instead of shorting and just put our stop down here? That might be the better play. People say none. People use 10. Yeah. So here they use 40. Well, I don't think you got time to get in at 40. You're literally the only person in here. All the others are your alts. Oh. Yeah. I see it, Jim. That's why I'm saying, like, if it doesn't break that level, it's tough to do anything. It's bounced here several times. It probably makes more sense to long, right? Kind of bottom of the range. So I say I could long here, 15-point stop. We're at that midpoint too. Midpoint of the range. You're staying away from it? Yeah, I don't blame you. I probably should stay away from it too. Hey, iTrades, let's go. You the man with the $50 dono. Let's go. iTrades, that's the biggest donation I've ever received, man. I appreciate that. You're the man. A long after a huge wick down. Yeah. I mean, if I wait for it to get back above the EMAs there. iTrades is putting his name in the hat for the luck. For the luck. Man, it does. I mean, I don't know, guys. I'm not sure what to do here. Probably shouldn't do anything, to be honest. Because, like, we're almost, guys, we're almost in the Tom Sabo pattern, you know? It's kind of the three knuckles. I'm seeing the Tom Sabo pattern here. Okay. I'm seeing the Tom Sabo pattern. Anybody else seeing it? Could go either way. Yeah, I agree. But if the Tom Sabo pattern plays out like it normally does, hey. I was on the phone with Tom earlier, and we were talking about that pattern that somebody posted. Someone, I can't remember who it was. Someone posted it on Twitter and tagged us in it. Who was that? Oh, oh, I didn't even see this short. I missed this short. I guess they made another short with me in it. I didn't even see it. I need to go check that out. Here it is. Funded Shabam. See, look. The Tom Sabo pattern. There it is. You guys see it. See, look, is it not similar? Look, I'm telling you guys, it could form here. Look. Look at this. Lower, higher, look, lower, higher. Okay, it's got an extra bump in it. That's okay. It's got an extra bump in there, but it looks kind of like the Sabo pattern. That doesn't make sense. Oh, oh goodness. Crazy Tom. I need to go and check the shorts channel. How do I use VWAP? Akram, to be honest with you, it's really just vanity. It's there just so I know where it is. Like, am I taking trades off of it? No. What the heck? I can't even, it's not even letting me draw, even though I selected the brush. Whatever. Now it gives me a line. Did I select the line? I didn't select the line. What the heck? What's going on? But yeah, like I don't use it for entries, but like, do I really want to short into it? Do I really want to long into it? Probably not. So, I think it's a good product, a good, an indicator to have on your chart, but shouldn't VWAP and point of control be pretty much matched up? I don't think so. I don't use point of control. Um, I don't really use it, but I don't know. For the most part, I don't think they do though. Point of control is that not where the most volume was traded that day? Someone tell me if I'm wrong or not. I don't really use point of control, order flow, that kind of stuff. But I mean, it can certainly help you. And I'm not opposed to any of it. I just trade the way I trade. And I let everyone else trade the way they're trade. And I don't try to give any input. You know what I mean? You play Weavot point of control Sammys all the time. Let's go. But yeah, I'm not one of those people who's like, ICT, trend lines, EMAs, inversions. That's the only thing that works. If you trade anything other than that, you're an idiot. Like, no. Listen, at the end of the day, your strategy does not matter. I'll say that again for the guys in the back. Your strategy doesn't matter. Doesn't mean shit. The only thing that matters is your emotions. Can you control your emotions? Can you manage your risk to reward? That's the only thing that matters. It doesn't matter what strategy you have or anything like that. You can make money with any strategy. Are you going for a 2R? All right. You need to win 4 out of 10 to make money, right? I mean, it's really that simple. What strategy doesn't win 4 out of 10? There's not very many strategies that don't win 4 out of 10, right? So you're a mix, you made your own. Exactly, Miss K. You find out what works for you and you just roll with that. You like a little wee wop with your baconator? Me too. A little mayonnaise? You just give away free accounts. That's right. Trade for keeps. Oh, you can lose money with any strategy. That's right. It doesn't matter. A monkey can win 4 out of 10. That's right. But can they get 2Rs? The question. Sinister, you don't like mayonnaise? Come on, man. Mayonnaise is amazing. It's got to be Duke's, though. Got to be Duke's. Man, I am so tempted to short here. I am so tempted to short, but this could trap here. It could trap again. $23,845. Double touch it. Your goldfish wins 6 out of 10. Nice, nice. Mayo's fine. You just thought you were going somewhere else. Nah. Mayo's one of my... I love mayo. It's one of my favorite condiments. Mayo. Oh my goodness. Yesterday's load. White dude likes mayo. Surprise, surprise. Man, my kids don't like mayo. My kids do not like mayo. I was laughing at something that Terry posted on, I don't know. Look, she tags me in this, right? So Terry tags me into this and she said, limited codes available. This code treasure hunt every day is a special code in one of the social media posts. She said, do you see it? Did you see it in the short? And so she circled here, but I don't see a code. The only thing I see is the line that I wrote with the price, and it says 50%. She thought that was a code. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm saying. So I wrote 50% because it's 50% of the range. She thought that was an Easter egg. She thought that was an Easter egg in the short. I love Terry, but man, that was hilarious. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, Terry. What is the code? So Alexi, they're dropping Easter eggs in the short video, short form content to give you a bigger discount code. And so Terry thought that that was a 50% off code. Oh my goodness. Oh, what up, Yonix? Oh my gosh, Terry. Oh my goodness. I know she's probably asleep. I was gonna say I'm gonna have to message her. I'll message her tomorrow. Oh my goodness. They got me a good laugh. There was a code in the pod short on Instagram for almost a week and everybody found it until it was on YouTube Shorts. Oh, nice. Poor Terry. Hey, she had the eagle eyes though. She saw that 50% in there. She saw the 50%. Woo. Goodness, 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 goodness. Goodness gracious. I don't mean to laugh, but that's pretty funny. I guess I should have went long, guys. Is it too late? Oh, let's do the giveaway, guys. Just an average bond. Sinister is now bald. Sinister, what you do behind the below the waist, hey, that's nobody business but your own. Just keep it to yourself, man. We don't care. Just keep that stuff to yourself. All right. All right, guys. Let's see here. Oh, Bear Trader, did I make the list this time? I still got left out, Bear Trader. What's the deal here? I don't think Bear's in here. Bear still left me out because that's not me right there. I don't know. That's somebody else. That's rude, Bear. Look, Bear left me out. Oh. Where'd everything go, guys? Everything disappeared. Bear left me out of the graphic again. I can't repost it if I'm not in the graphic. Yeah, it's called manscaping. That's right. Let's go. Gold short. Didn't quite make it to the level I was looking for the short at. Just kind of looking for 44.50. Although we might get this next ledge, guys. What do you guys think? Should I try it? This ledge here. You can see this one ended up paying 12 points. What's going on with Tom? I know he's got his shirt off. His shirt is open. And he's obviously got some fake abs here. Okay. We need to add about 100 lbs to Husk. I'm assuming that's a Fees, maybe. Is that Magnus? That can't be Magnus. I don't know who that is. No, that's not a Fees. Why am I drawing a blank? Oh, I can't remember that. I don't know. I'm drawing a blank. I'm drawing a blank. We need a name tag on there. Let's see here. Oh, Mr. Zink. That's who that is. Last day of Apex. Code Myth MYTH for Apex, guys. All right, do we want to do a shotgun or not, guys? What do you guys think? Shotty? Why is everybody trying to take credit? Oh. Yeah, I do see that. A lot of people saying that they're taking credit for the whole take profit trader thing. Listen, I didn't say a word. I don't take credit for. I didn't do anything. We just knew they might fix it. Oh man, you want Tory to win? Let's go. So guys, what a shotgun is, if you are new here, what we do is we restart the giveaway with 0 people in the giveaway. This kicks out some of the bots. And then give you guys effectively like a minute or 2 minutes to enter. Currently, we have 231 people in the giveaway. We've only got 162 viewers. So this effectively gives you a better chance of winning. Short would have worked, and long. That's what it does. That is what it does. It still allows people to get in with their alt accounts, because you got 2 minutes. You can go ahead and pull the alt account up and actually be viewing it right now. And then that way you're ready to go. Those who fell asleep in the laptop on their chest, yeah. For sure. Guys, I should let y'all read some of my DMs on X. Because since I started following everybody back, I get some wild DMs. Maybe we'll do that one day where we go through the DMs and let you guys kind of read it just for fun. All right, looks like it's overwhelming here for a shotgun. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's get it ready here. All right, just for kicks. Just for kicks, guys. I'm telling you now, you are not the winner. But we're going to go ahead and draw and just see who would have been the winner had we just drawn, okay? You are not the daddy. You are not the father, okay? You are not the father. Salt and Sand SLC. Salt and Sands LC. You are not the father. Okay? Salt and Sands, you're not the daddy. Are you guys ready? More like Maury Povich. Maury Povich. Are you guys ready? Not yet, guys. Hold on. Hold on. You're going to have 2 minutes. Count them, 2 minutes. That's 120 seconds for the people that don't know how to count. I'm right there with you. And what's going on with my MyFunded Futures account? It's not letting me take a trade. I don't quite know why. Anyways. 1 minute might be enough. I mean, I'm sure it is. But yeah, anyways, you guys ready? We're about to go. On your marks, get set, and I was going to tell you guys a story right quick, but I don't know one. So let's go. There's the timer so you can see it. One minute, 30 seconds. What is today? So when is the first of the month? Tuesday? Tuesday's the last day of the month. One minute, 5 seconds. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Yeah, one entry's enough. One time. Remember, if Streamlabs doesn't tell you that you got a ticket, it's just because it's running behind. What happened, Sinister? Tell me what happened. $20 seconds. $10 seconds. You see, we went from 244, I think is where we were at, down to about 150. And the winner is head up, eyes low. What does that say? Ass up, head low? No, heads up, eyes low. Heads up, eyes low. Heads up, eye low, eyes low, ass low. Damn, why can't I say that right? Are you here? You didn't do the giveaway. Didn't want anyone to think I came in at the end of the stream. Hey, Kobop, we don't mind. We don't mind. Is heads up, eyes low here? That's a Diddy line? Oh, I was trying to think of it, Mo. I was trying to think of it. Face down, ass up. All right, that's what it is. All right, I got 10 seconds on the clock. If heads up, eyes low is not here in 10 seconds, we will re-roll. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's re-roll. And the winner is still heads up, eyes low. Just kidding. Ha ha ha. Just kidding. Yet a lady golfer walks in the clubhouse. Pro asks how she played. Terrible. I was stung by a bee between the first and second holes. First of all, the pro says your stance is too wide. You open your account, you had a pop-up window saying, congrats, you won a free 50K account, and if I wanted to pay $97, I could get a second. I was heading to bed. Interesting. Methodicalman at Gmail. Send me an email to methodicalman at Gmail. Heads up, eyes low. What I want you to do is screenshot your YouTube channel showing that you're logged in. Click on the top right hand corner. Send it over to me in an email and we'll get you a code right away. Heads up, eyes low. Do you want the 25K or I'm going to let you choose? Do you want the 100K or the 25K? You must choose now. You must choose now. No, I'm never offended, Miss K. It takes way more than that. You must not heard the Alabama joke. Who's that, Jim? I was only good for one day, even though they admit that it was no time frame included. Oh, that sucks. You want the 100K? All right. 100K for you. 100K. You guys want to roll for the 25K? I got something better. I got something even better. All right. Got something even better than that. Remember, it's a 25K Pro account. There's the code. Whoever wants the 25K Pro, whoever's got the fastest fingers, there's the code for the 25K Pro. Good luck. So you guys never know how I'm going to give the accounts away. It's different every night. It's different every night. Let me know if you get it. Whoever wins the account, let us know. Whoever's got the fastest fingers. I'm sure it's gone by now. Did you get it, D-Monkey? Let's go. Did you really get it? Hey, Dupe Monkey got it. Let's go. That's how it works, guys, sometimes. Sometimes we just give the code away. Why not? We just give it away. Let's take that thing to payout, Dude Monkey. Face down, ass up. Have you sent the email yet? Oh, goodness. How many people do you think were scrambling to get logged into their Lucid account? Somebody unsubscribed. They came in just for the giveaway. It helped you already logged in. Yeah, 100%. Definitely easier that way. I don't have any more TD trade. You're on mobile and don't have the Lucid dashboard open. Yeah, that sucks. You had no idea what prop. The prop we were talking about, Chris. The prop we were talking about. Everyone's ready now. Yeah. Kyle. I don't have any more. I have no more Lucids. We're going to request some more, so we'll request some more. But guys, that is going to do it for me tonight. Heads up also. Let me get your email right quick. Let me go ahead and send Heads up his account right quick. We don't want to mess around with it. We'll send it right over to him. Let me make sure this is him. Looks that way. Let me I gotta send this without saying anything out loud. You know, I might accidentally say the letters and stuff out loud. We can't do that. That's kind of hard not to say it. Okay, so this is for 100K flex lucid. All right. There you go. Send it over to you. Guys, if you have not already, hit the like button, subscribe on the way out here. But again, if you want to help support the channel, remember Apex coupon code is Myth. Everything else is MM across the board. I do appreciate it if you use my coupon code. If not, use someone else's. Doesn't matter to me as long as you're supporting somebody. That's going to do it for me tonight. We'll be back tomorrow. We are green tonight, $100, $400. Couple of accounts, nothing crazy. All on gold trades. I didn't even trade the NQ tonight, which is rare. But do appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.